Hello everyone, I Harshit Dikshit welcome you in Harshit Dikshit coaching. We will be studying motion in one dimension part 10 and that includes kinematic equation for uniformly accelerated motion. This is one of the logical questions of it which has came in NEET 2003. Let's see what the question is. A man throws ball with the same speed vertically upward one after the other at an interval of 2 seconds. What should be the speed of the throw so that more than two balls are in the sky at any time? Take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Option are more than 19.6, at least 9.8, any speed less than 19.6, or only with speed 19.6. Now before solving this, please watch the coming video which will give you a clear insight about the juggling of the balls, because this question is based on the juggling of the balls. So please watch the video, then we will be able to solve the question and see how easily we can do it. Please watch the video. Thank you. Hello and welcome back. After watching the video, let us see how this let us understand the question and how it is analogous to that video. We'll see it. See the question. A man throws ball with the same speed vertically upwards one after the other at an interval of 2 seconds. What should be the speed of the throw so that more than two balls are in the sky at any time? Now the number of balls more than two and the minimum number more than two will be 3. There can be many balls, 4 5 6, but more than 2 and the minimum number more than 2 it will be 3. So we will do the question for 3 balls at are in the sky at a time. So let's see this condition number 1. The condition number 1, at t equal to 0, this is ball number 1 thrown with the initial velocity of u. This is condition number 2. At after 2 seconds the second ball is being thrown. This is thrown with the velocity u, but at the same time the ball 1 will be at some other position, let us say at this position. Okay, then after 2 seconds, let us t equal to 4, the third ball is projected with an upward velocity of u, and during that upward projection the ball 1 might be at this position in the downward direction, and ball 2 may be at this position in the upward direction. So for the 3 balls to remain in the sky at any time, it is a compulsory condition that the ball 1 should have the time of travel which includes the upward movement and the downward movement greater than 4. Because if it is less than 4, then ball 1 will be on the ground and ball 2 and ball 3 will be in the sky. So we will never be able to achieve that condition if the time of travel of ball 1 is less than 4 or equal to 4. Okay, so for 3 balls to remain in the sky, it is important that the time of travel of ball 1 should be greater than 4 seconds. This is what we have written it here. Now time of travel includes the time of travel in the upward direction tu and in time of travel in the downward direction td, right? And this should be greater than 4 seconds. Now we have to calculate the value of tu and td. So how we will do it? See, this is ball 1 kept over here. Taking upward direction into consideration, first the ball is projected with an initial velocity of u, and at the top its final velocity will be equal to 0. So using v is equal to u plus at, we are putting v equal to 0, u the upward velocity over here, g we will be taking as the positive, g positive, t is equal to minus u by g. T is equal to g is acting actually vertically downwards. G is acting vertically downwards. If g is acting vertically downwards, so here we will be taking minus g. So T will come out to be u plus g. If T is equal to u plus g, then upward velocity is u by g, and downward velocity is will also be u by g. So both the velocities have been placed over here. U by g plus u by g, it gives you 2u by g greater than 4. So u is equal to 2 into 9.8, that is equal to 19.6. So u must be greater than 19.6. so this is the answer, more than 19.6. If the ball is projected with the velocity greater than 19.6, then there will be a condition after 4 seconds that the 3 balls are in the sky at any moment, right? So this was the all about today's topic. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.